very soon. I'm leaving quite early tomorrow morning. Undercover, baby, is what you ask of me. Soon I'll be disguised. Shooting star, I'm without a safety net. Give me a ride. I'm going far beyond where the sun sets. Dear, I'm no longer scared. Glow brings me comfort. I'm filled with light. Tiptoe, dance with me through the shadow play. Moon, I'm on my way. Shooting star, I'm without a safety net. Give me a ride. I'm going far beyond where the sun sets. Shooting star, I'm without a safety net. Give me a ride. I'm going far beyond where the sun sets. Show your tail in the night. Keep it glowing steady and bright. Shooting star, I'm without a safety net. Now give me a ride. I'm going far beyond where the sun sets.
Well, we're going to try this with the GoPro because the work phone's dead, and to be honest with you, I'd like to use this thing a little bit more. You know, I do have it, so anyway, a lot of time lapse today, pretty much all time lapse today. Just a progress update. We got a lot of boards on today. I have 12.5 feet of eave wall left to close up on the upstairs. The downstairs eave wall towards the east, that's all closed off now. Now we still have the northern side of the building, the downstairs portion to close in, so that's going to entail 2 big doors and then roughly 12 feet worth of 1x10 boards. I tell you, plywood's a hell of a lot faster, I can tell you that, but for closing in a building like this, long lengths, things like that, I kind of like the 1-inch boards, I can tell you that. Plus I'd like the look on the inside. Unfortunately, they're all going to get covered up anyway because, like I said, as we go, we're going to be insulating, sealing it up, and putting finished walls throughout this building. The downstairs, of course, will be the last to get that done, and who knows, may never do it, but at least up here on the second floor, really got to get that done. But anyway, it was a cold-ass day today. I tell you what, I was breaking water or breaking ice in the cow tank and things like that. It was in the teens all day. Didn't have much for wind though, so that was kind of nice. Had some pretty snowfall, all that good stuff today. So, been a pretty productive and good day. Tomorrow's another day, and I'm really hoping to get that eave wall closed up. In between, I got to get something in the soffit spaces in between the rafters, just because wind's gonna blow through, snow's gonna blow in. They just around here with the wind and the snow we get in the wintertime, it finds any way in and it will find it. So I have a ton of 1x10 scrap. they need to measure at least about 22 and a half, and I'll just fill in between those rafters, screw them down to the top plate, and then hopefully in the spring or summer, hopefully I'm good enough to go on an extension ladder to where I can start putting those in my cellar, putting soffit and fascia boards on this thing. At first I wasn't going to do it, but I got looking at it, it would seal it up much nicer, and the look would be, I'd like to protect the tails of my rafters, to be honest with you. I mean, they're going to be exposed to some pretty nasty weather, so I don't need them rotting out. I'd rather have sacrificial fascia board to do that for me. Excuse me, nose is running in this cold, stuff like that, but anyway, that's where we're at, man. There's no swearing, no cussing or screaming at lumber tonight. You know, we don't let that side of me show too much on camera, even though it is with us all the time. You guys just don't get to see it as much because if I let that out all the time, hell, all you'd have was a bunch of videos of me screaming and swearing all the time. That's no good. Why do you guys think we do so much time lapse? It doesn't record sound. Works for me. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this one. We're going to be back at it again tomorrow. I did finally get new internet to the house, so we finally have real high-speed internet. So I'm kind of looking forward to editing this one and getting it uploaded, see how long it takes. I am also working on part 2 of the tools video, so look for that coming up soon. That'll be heavy voiceover, and I've just been kind of plugging away on that one a little bit here and there. Takes me a little bit more to do the voiceovers because I need the house totally quiet to do it. When we get out here and I get this set up and heated and all that, I'll probably be doing most of my editing out here. I'll get a desk set up where I can do it and things like that. But until then, we are in the warmth of the house, the warmth of the coal stove and all that good stuff. So anyway, there you have it. I will see you guys on the next one.